Hey y'all, I'm Kenya and welcome to my channel. I'm super excited and so grateful that you will be joining in for another Plan With Me video today. So in this video, I will be planning for the week of March 15th through the 21st and doing my St. Patrick's Day spread. So if you want to see what I create, you already know, stay tuned. Okay, so jumping right in, here are the stickers that I have pulled for this week's spread. Tons of boxes, all because I just really want to keep it functional this week. And I decided to go with the Rainbow Dreams sticker book, some colorful boxes, as well as the All in the Season mega sticker pack. So starting out, I pulled this long sticker, and y'all, I love the rainbow stripe down the side, just in this Rainbow Dreams sticker book. Period. Like, I love it, y'all. It's so pretty to me, and I just feel like this would be the perfect week to pull it out. And I'm so glad that I finally picked this sticker book up. It took me forever to get it, but finally got it, and now I get to use it for St. Patrick's Day. So here I have this long sticker, and you guys know that these can be a pain at times and laying them down like properly, correctly, straight. And I do rip my page, but it's no biggie because I want to still lay it down in the middle so I can do some layering with it. So I'm just gonna try to straighten it up as much as possible and smooth it out with my hand. And I was just really a little too rough with it, but yeah, bam, put my gift card out, and there it is. So now I'm going to go in and white out that part at the bottom, that little quote at the bottom, and I'm going to layer over this gold foil stickers that says living the dream. And I don't know, I wanted to bring in some gold foil in this spread, so I did pull some gold foil boxes for that reason, because rainbow, you got the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. I don't know, I just thought it went, so that's what we got. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to recreate a long box sticker effect on the right side of the spread. So I pull another gold box, and then I pull another one of those rainbow boxes as well, the rainbow stripe boxes. It's a tad bit different because it does have that rainbow at the bottom, but I still felt like it went pretty good. So now I'm going to layer another box on Monday. Because I do have a meeting on Monday that I wanted to, notate. Now, how I use these long boxes typically, I don't know how I plan to use this one, but I did feel like it made more sense if I decided to use it as a checklist. But you can just write in, your events on those specific days. And just kind of like make an event checklist, I guess you could call it. And that's what I had in mind when I put this down. So I was just like, yeah, it makes sense there. So I did have that other like feeling lucky sticker, but I didn't feel it went as well with the gold sticker on the left side of the spread. So I decided against it and just used another gold box because I don't know, it just didn't pop to me. And you guys know it has to catch my eye. So now I'm going to go in and add in some more functional elements with my little flags here out of the Rainbow Dreams book. And I decided to go with green instead of like doing a rainbow situation because I feel like it's St. Patrick's Day. So of course you got to have some green, and green should be my main color. Even though it's rainbow, I feel like it should kind of be like my black in this spread. So that's what I was putting down. It would be like my anchor color. I guess that's what I mean. Typically, I use black, but green is the anchor color today. So I decided to put these green flags down. And you guys, in all honesty, just looking at it, I was kind of like, okay, how do I want to lay them out? Because I can use these flags on any day, pretty much. Normally, how my week's pan out, I always have something to do on every day. So, and you guys know how I plan. I tend to use icons on the days that I don't use, like a bullet point system on that day, so that was fine. I also find these little rainbows that match the rainbow inside that box, so I decided to put one on Monday so the left side of the spread has a little bit of that element. And then in my little free space below Sunday, I decided to go ahead and put one down there, and I felt it would be a little bit more functional if I pulled another box down. So that's what I'm like trying to find now. I pulled me another box there, and then I decided to put down my little rainbow. I didn't know if I wanted to put it in the middle or on top, but on top makes the most sense to my eye, so that's what we went with. So now I have my little, clovers that I'm going to put down, and they are clearly the element for St. Patrick's Day, so you got to add those in. And I was pretty fortunate to find these in that All in the Seasons book. There's a couple of pages of them, so I felt like they would kind of be cute to use as well. I almost used the little small ones as the bullet point elements in this spread, but I didn't want it to be overpowering because I knew I wanted to use these bigger ones. So I decided to just simply go with the flags, and I think it's looking good so far. And so I like how they look as right now. I'm trying to make sure that I don't clutter them too much, and that I spread the love, I guess you could say, with them, and I make sure that I leave room for other things. And so yeah, it adds a little fun pop for me, just enough, because like I said, I really wanted to keep it functional. So now, you guys, of course, I figured out that I don't like the linear effect of like those flags on Monday and Wednesday. I felt like it was a little too like straight down the page, especially with that long box there. So I decided to go on the other side of Wednesday and then move the ones on Saturday over so I can add, some more checklists to the bottom free space. And I've just been using that space as kind of like the things that I don't necessarily have to do on a specific day. I can do them whenever throughout the week. So I decided to just kind of use that space for that. Even if I don't use it for that, it can be an overflow for Sunday, like for my weekly prep or something like that. So I love that space. I love that I can just kind of decorate it and set it up however I want. Now I have these other little small rainbow boxes that I wanted to use just to add a little bit more of that rainbow pop down on the page. So I moved this clover over just in case I feel that I could put it on Friday. I'm just trying to see where it makes the most sense, because you guys, I can pretty much put these little boxes anywhere because they can be kind of whatever. Like if I want them to be for the gym, or for just if I have like a meeting, or if I need like a little reminder note or something, I can put them wherever. But I decided to go ahead and put this one on Wednesday and layer it on top of, well, I didn't necessarily layer it, but I did put it on top of a gold box. I thought about doing 2 of them, but instead, no. I pulled that up and I'm like, yeah, that doesn't look good. So I go ahead and put one on Saturday, and then I put this one back on Wednesday, just kind of catty-cornered on top of that box. And yeah, I feel like it looks pretty good. Just trying to make sure I get it straight. All right, so I'm liking how it's looking so far. I got a little bit of room to write and decorate as the weeks go by. I do add in a smaller gold box just to give me that same over effect that I did on Wednesday. Now I go in with some little small clovers, and these were the ones I was talking about I would use as bullet points, and you can absolutely do that. I think they would be so cute if you did. So if you guys decide to use these in the future, definitely keep that idea in mind. But I just didn't want to overpower this spread with them, just in case, because I did want to, keep it a little bit more cleaner in a sense. So now I have these little gold like sparkle elements that's in the Rainbow Dreams book. Yeah, I love this book. This book is so cute. Like I feel some type of way about me not picking this book up prior to this month, but I do have these bigger ones, and I just add the element for me because I thought that was cute. And when you see a sticker and you just want to use it, use it, pick it up, go ahead and put it on the paper, my friend. And that's what I did here. I just found some little spots to add those in. And then I have, you guys know I love these little washi strip sayings. I call them washi strip sayings. They are just little quote stickers, honestly. But I decided to add some of those to my spread, just to give me some more of a horizontal look, I guess you could say, to the spread, instead of just a vertical look. And yeah, I feel like it in that lime green too brings that element to the front versus just that dark green. I don't know, it just did something for me. So I was liking how it was looking. And so I'm just kind of spreading these out as I find them and finding spaces that that speak to me as I lay them down. All right, so now I have this one that I want to put on Saturday, and as I move that one up to Friday, then I'm going to trim this one off so it don't overlay on that box. And yeah, I'm loving it, loving it. So you guys, I pulled some washi. Now this is some Rainbow Happy Planner washi that I had, and it is a little bit brighter than the Rainbow Dreams color palette. So I was trying to see if I could make it work, and looking at it, it did not work for me. So I decided to pull that up, and now I'm going to see if I can make, some green washi work. And this is the only green washi that I had, and it was a little bit off in color as well. I mean, could have worked, but I didn't like it. So I scrapped that idea also. So pretty much that's it for this spread, you guys. I was trying to see if I could add in some more clovers, but yeah, I don't feel like I need it. I just feel like I want to keep it functional. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Please let me know if you are loving the spread down below. And as always, thank you for being so sweet and so kind. Until next time, love ya. Bye.